In this video, I will teach you how to take advantage of FIFA World Cup 2026 and make yourself some money using Monetag. Now, you might be wondering how you can do that. With just a simple hosting and using Monetag as an advertiser, you can take advantage of ongoing sports like FIFA World Cup and many other things, where you can publish your blog articles online and advertise to Monetag and make money. Alright, you might be wondering why Monetag. Now, I'll speak about this later in this video step by step. So let's go ahead and take you to the dashboard. So first you need to go ahead, click the link in the description where you find the link to the Monetag. You can go to the monetag.com and go here and click on sign up. Now once you go into the sign up page, it's just gonna ask you a bunch of details. Now first what you want to do is go ahead and create a company. If you're a company, you can go here and fill out the details. If you're an individual blogger, you can go here and enter your details. Now once you finish signing up, you're going to enter into the dashboard. Now this is dashboard, this is a basic thing. Now before you know about the dashboard and every single thing, what the Monetag offers, why you need to prefer Monetag compared to other ad publishing networks. Now Monetag is a very good platform and it's been for a long time, and it offers many platforms and also has a good CPM networks, and Monetag is there from the start. There are tens of thousands of advertisers who going to come to the Monetag, and the competitive, it also has very high competitive CPMs. And if you don't know what is CPM is how much money you're going to generate per 1,000 impressions, how much the advertisers pay per 1,000 impressions. And it also has a good payout starting from $5 itself. Now if I go to the payment section, you can see, now if I show you the payment options right here, we have starting from cryptocurrencies, which is a $100 minimum payout, but very less minimum has $5 from PayPal, Skrill, and also web money. And also we have got the Payoneer and wire transfers, which is a minimum 500, which is a very good because it's very easy to withdraw once you reach a $5. And also they're going to approve very quick and fast compared to other ad networks. Now they also offer 24/7 support, and they also offer fast payout as we talk, and they also offer ads from any geolocation, worldwide coverage, and they also have safe ads, which is very important when sharing it to the social network. Now we have successfully logged in right here. Now first thing first, we have the statistics right here where we can see every single thing. We can also set the sources, go and search for the websites which we have, but before we go, it will look, after you register, it will look empty right here because you have not generated any traffic or added any websites. Go to the website and click here, click on add website. Now here you simply enter a website. Now I have entered my domain right here, click on add website. Now once I do that, it will give me a file and a code to paste it in a head. So as you can see, we have to do the verification. How to do it? Click on the WordPress plugin. You can see all the other options as well, where you need to manually, you can insert the code, upload a file in a root directory. Now I prefer uploading a file in a root directory. Go here and download the file and go to your hosting site, upload it in a root file. If you don't know, comment below, I'll make a separate video to it. And if you don't know how to do it, or DM me in my social networks, I'm just gonna help you. But if you also prefer easy way, you can copy this code and go into the website and simply paste it in a head section. So that's how we do it. Once you verify, your websites will show up right here, and the status, it should show verify. If not verified, you can contact the team. They're gonna give you 24/7 support and they will help you. And if you don't know, just hit me up, comment below. I'm just gonna make another video. And the verification is also instant approval, and once you paste, you're just gonna know minimum traffic is required. They also offer high CPMs, and sports news is new thing, which has a high CPM. Since the World Cup is going on, they put more budget in running ads, so Monetag is the best to choose in order to advertise in your blog site. So once you do that, let me just go here and click on add website. Now here I have added the website right here at the beginning. Now if I click on ad zone, it's just gonna ask me, provides me which ads I want, which ad formats I want. So let me just explain you what all this is. So multi-tag, we have the multi-tag on-click push notifications, direct link, widget banner, in-page push notifications. So multi-tag is nothing but it is a format which uses AI to automatically, which picks the best format to display. example, if I show you, so I have written, I have added in my in my domain. So let me just show you what this is about, what I'm speaking. So let me just take you to this page. So first thing first, let's click on get multi-tag. Now once we do that, it's just gonna provide me a download JS file. So I first download the JS file and upload this in the root folder, and then copy this JS code, paste it into HTML head tag. Now I have already uploaded, so I'm just gonna go here and go to my code snippets and go to the, we do that, you can simply click on installation check, and if you've done it correctly, once we do the installation check, it should show installation successful. So since you can see now I have installed correctly, if you don't know how to do it, again comment below, I'm just gonna help you, and it should show right here. So as you can see, the ads, everything is displaying. So if I click here, it's just gonna take me to the next page. So that means the ad is successfully installed. So that's how you will get to know if it is successfully installed or not. And the next thing, we have something called Payout, which is anybody visits the website. So let's say someone visits this website and just simply click on anywhere. So let me just click on this white space and it's taking me to the next page, which means this is a automatically, it opens up another page in the background. So for this, the CPMs rates are always high and it's compatible with AdSense as well, and it will monetize every visitor with 100% fill rate. So this is it. And also push notifications, you can see right here, this is all called push notifications, and you can simply click on get a tag and implement it. You can follow the instructions. It's really it's very easy. So if I need to add another tag or something like that, you can simply go to the website, click on add zone, and you have all these options. And we have got the in-page push banner, as you can see at the top. So this is the in-page same as well, and Vignette banner, so it's just gonna pop up in the middle. And we have got something called direct links, which you can share on Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest, where people can click and get you the traffic so that you can earn money. So this is shared with you can also do email marketing with the direct links. It's really easy. So as you can see, I have searched FIFA World Cup, and let me just do it in the past month, and let's just look at the graph. So you can see this graph is continuously spiking. Now this is the right time to take advantage of this search result. You simply have to follow the good trends.google.com and write a blog articles and simply install a powerful ad network such as Monetag. The link will be in the description. You can always check that out. And this is how you do it and take advantage and make money using Monetag. So with that saying, if you want help, comment below. I'm just gonna make another video live tutorial. I'm just gonna send you another quick tutorial link where you can watch and implement the Monetag successfully. With that said, catch you on the next one.